is Anvita. I'm going to sing a song is Brahma Murari. Brahma Murari Surachitalingam Nirmalabhashita Shobhitalingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Devamuni Pravagachitalingam Kamanaharu Karunakaralingam Pavan Tarpavinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Sarvasuganga Sulepitalingam Buddhi Vivardhana Karanalingam Siddha Suravanditalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kanaka Mahamani Bhushitalingam Panipati Veshtita Shobhitalingam Rakshasu Yajna Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kumkuma Chandana Lepitalingam Pankajahara Shobhitalingam Sanchita Papa Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Ashtadalo Pariveshtitalingam Sarvasamudbhava Karanalingam Ashtadaritra Vinashakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Suruguru Suravara Pujitalingam Suravara Pushpa Sada Chitalingam Parataram Paramatmakalingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Lingashadam Idam Punyam Yatpare Shivaloka Mahatmodi Shiveka Sahamodake. Thank you.
Now our next contestant is Mahi.